Okay, this is the Duluth Daily Carry Knife. I don't think this is copper, I think it's an aluminum finish. Deep Gary tip up. Questionable clip. Access style lock. It does not currently flip open or drop shut. But, ow, 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 ow. Yay! It loves me. Of course, I should have known better, because it's done that to me before. Anyway, needless to say, that springy, or not springy, but the lock detent is pretty aggressive. What I was going to say is, I'm not able to flick it out, but it looks like it's got bronze washers. So maybe it just needs to, you know what, I'm not even going to try to close it right now, one-handed. Anyway, lanyard hole, a little bit of jimping. Okay, we're going to try. Okay. So there you go. The Duluth Daily Carry Knife. Oh yeah, so definitely I'm not a professional at this. What I really wanted to show you is this. So, it says 420C stainless. In China. I'm not a steel expert, but I thought the 440 series steels were American steels. So, maybe they imported steel to make it in China? I don't know. I just thought it was interesting. No blade play, up or down or left and right. If I didn't mention it, it is centered. Good old internet.